Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare Slack and Discord as which one is the best for team communication. If you're looking for the best free team communication app in 2025 between Discord and Slack, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. While Slack's free plan is highly limited and insufficient for most users' needs, running a server on Discord is practically free and comes with all the core features. Slack's free plan mainly gives you a taste of what it's like to collaborate in the app. No matter the size of your business, you will eventually have to transition to a paid plan. That's because Slack's free plan notoriously limits your message history access to the last 90 days and gives you only 5 gigabytes of storage space in total. On the other hand, the free Discord plan allows unlimited access to your message history and unlimited storage per individual user. A video call can host up to 25 people, whereas there's no limit to the number of users on a voice call. Regarding paid plans, Slack offers 3 plans starting at $8.75 per user per month billed monthly, while Discord offers 2 paid plans for $9.99 and $2.99 respectively, Nitro and Nitro Basic. Ultimately, most Slack users are on a paid plan, whereas most Discord users rely on the free version. Slack's interface is quite slick. The focus is on ease of use and navigation, with all the channels and DMs being on the left side of the screen. Discord is a bit more elaborate interface-wise. That makes sense, since Discord lets you access all the servers you're in with one set of login credentials. On the other hand, in Slack, you need to log into each workspace separately. Slack allows you to switch between light and dark themes, but it also offers a myriad of nuanced theme options. Discord offers a light theme and 3 dark theme variations. Additional color themes are exclusive to Nitro users. When it comes to text communication, both apps support direct messaging and group conversations. Discord takes video and voice communication to the next level, which makes sense since these are the most important features of a communication app for gamers. Discord allows you to mute specific servers, channels, or even annoying users who keep spamming the main. Slack offers a wide range of search options to help you find what you need. As an individual user, you can get a wide array of privacy and security features in Discord, which you can set for both servers and DMs. Slack lets you share files as large as 1 gigabyte, but its free plan is exceptionally limiting when it comes to file storage. You lose access to files older than 90 days, the same as with messages. Discord, on the other hand, doesn't limit your file storage space at all. You can access everything you've ever sent or received. However, there's quite a catch. You can only send files up to 10 megabytes. If you subscribe to the Nitro plan, you can upload files up to 500 megabytes, which is still significantly smaller than the files you can share in Slack. That was a basic overview comparison between Discord and Slack in 2025. And with this in mind, you can easily decide what suits you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.